Hi everyone, I'm Marta Ramirez, and today I want to share with you how I designed an in-class flip with a station rotation for a hybrid class. So I had half of my students physically with me in the classroom and the other half were connected online. So what you're looking at right now is one of the tools that I used, which was Genially, to design the actual virtual classroom setting. And I also used Canva to design the stations or the instructions of each of the stations. So I'm just going to show you, what each of these stations were. I designed 7 stations and I printed them. So I have them right here. So I also printed each of these and I put them in, I put them on the walls in the classroom with my students. And this one goes with a sketch note, right? And so each station scaffolded the writing process for them so that by the end of the lesson, this was an hour and 15 minutes lesson, they would have their paragraph completely ready, at least the first draft to give it. So what I can tell you is that they were able to do absolutely everything. The last station was feedback. They gave me really good feedback about this lesson, those that were physically with me and those that were online. And so if you look at the virtual class, you can imagine this is more or less what the physical one looked like. And so I had students connected through Zoom and gave them the link while the other ones were with me actually working. And so what they had to do was basically click and follow instructions, send me screenshots or send me images of what they were doing, right? And they had exactly the same information that the others had in their virtual, in their physical classroom. And of course I was very careful not to pass out any paper, so I had this on the walls and students physically could scan with their QR codes. And so we followed all the biosecurity measures of a hybrid class during pandemic. So this is basically what I did, and I hope you find it useful. It was a challenge to think of how to do station work with students who were virtually connected, but this one had very positive comments from my students. So here it is for you to replicate if you find it that it's useful for your own teaching purposes. Thank you for watching.